Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove third-party app access from your Google account. So open Google, then you can click your profile picture in the top right, then go to manage your Google account. Or you can also go to myaccount.google.com and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to manage. Next, once you're here, on the left side, select link apps. Now in here, so this is where you can keep track of your Google account data. So you'll now see a list of all the apps connected to your Google account. So you can also use the filters at the top. So you can view apps you've signed in with Google or apps that have access to services like Gmail. You have Google Drive, Contacts, Calendar, or YouTube or other account access. You can also select sign in with Google. So to remove an app, simply click on it. So on the app details page, you'll see what information the app can access. So you can click see all details. Then you can click stop using sign in with Google. You can also go back to the last page. Now scroll down and you can select delete all. So this will remove all links and stop sharing your Google account data with that specific website or app. So click on that. So a confirmation window will appear explaining what happens when you remove the connection. Then click confirm to continue. Then the app will immediately lose access to your Google account. So repeat these steps for any other apps you no longer use or trust. And that's it. That's how you can remove third-party app access from your Google account. Thank you for watching.